Write 10 to the fifth power as repeated multiplication and find its value. If you take a base and raise it to an exponent like this, you write out that base that many times. So since this is 10 to the fifth power, we write this out as 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That's 10 written out 5 times. Now, the trick with writing out a base 10 to a specific exponent is whatever you have 10 to the anything, you write out a 1, and that exponent tells you how many zeros are going to follow afterwards. So since this is 10 to the fifth power, the shortcut is 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So let's go to the left 3, put a comma there, and 10 to the fifth power ends up being 100,000. Write 10 to the eighth power as repeated multiplication and find its value. Whenever you have a base being raised to an exponent, you multiply that base to itself this many times. So we're going to multiply 10 to itself 8 times. So 10 times 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 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the shortcut for writing out what 10 to the eighth power actually is whenever it's 10 to the anything power, you start out with a 1, and that 8 tells you how many zeros you're going to write after the 1. So since this is 10 to the eighth power, the shortcut is 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros after it. And then we count to the left 3 and put a comma there, and count to the left 3 and put a comma there, and end up with 100 million. Write 10 million as a power of 10. Whenever you want to write out a large number as a power of 10, the shortcut is this. Write out your base of 10 and then count how many zeros there are after the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That number 7 is going to act as your exponent. So 10 to the seventh power is going to be 10 million. Find the missing exponent. 10 to the what power equals 1,000? Well, if you are going to raise 10 to any power, the shortcut to find out what the exponent is you take a look at the number, and any number of zeros after 1 is going to become your exponent. So 1, 2, 3 zeros means that this becomes 10 to the third power. So 10 to the third power is 1,000. Find the missing exponent. 10 to the what power is 10? Well, the shortcut here is if you're ever trying to find an exponent for a power of 10, you look at the number that it equals and count the number of zeros to the right of 1. Since this only has 1 0 to the right of 1, this is only going to be 10 to the first power, which makes sense because 10 to the first power is just 10. You don't multiply it to itself or anything. It's just 10. So 10 to the first power is 10. Find the missing exponent. 10 to the what power equals 1 billion. Now, the shortcut and the trick is whenever you're being asked to find 10 to the what power equals a number, you count the number of zeros that fall to the right of 1. So since this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros, 10 to the ninth power is going to become 1 billion. And that's your answer.